Hi, I'm Alan from alpusonlineai.com, and I'm going to talk to you today about our online support system if you're looking to start or grow an online business. You can learn from digital marketing experts, all the best, latest training courses and programs. We've got numerous ones here. I'm going to run through them quickly before going into depth. We've got an AI Academy for beginners. We've got a digital business launch. We've got Millionaire Algorithm. We've got affiliate marketing mastery. We've got AI faceless monetization, how to run profitable webinars, AI prompt masterclass, AI digital product profits, school and community mastery, Facebook ads mastery, Instagram organic marketing, YouTube ads mastery, LinkedIn mastery, TikTok ads mastery, Google ads mastery, Autobots Academy, AI newsletter and outsourcing. We've got a diploma in internet marketing, TikTok organic marketing, and more courses coming soon. So if any of these appeal to you, then just give us a call, sign up on alpusonlineai.com. Our link is in the description below this video, and we can introduce you to the best available training courses online for AI. So they're proven marketing system and results, which are supported by the Internet Business School, that's Simon Coulson, and Stas Prokofiev from Clients and Consulting. So these are proven systems that work, and both of those organizations have generated multiple millions of pounds from courses such as these. So if you're looking for the AI Academy for beginners, you're curious about how AI can revolutionize your business but don't know where to start, the AI Beginners Academy is designed to demystify artificial intelligence for newcomers, show you how to leverage it for real results. From automated tasks to increasing revenue, this course will teach you how to implement AI strategies without any technical background. Get ready to future-proof your business and income. We've got a digital business launch. Are you eager to launch your digital business but overwhelmed about where to begin? Digital Business Launch course provides a proven step-by-step guide designed for beginners, helping you find your niche, attract customers and generate income, all without the confusion. Whether you have a business idea or just starting from scratch, this program equips you with everything you need to start and grow a profitable online business. We've got the Millionaire Algorithm. Are you ready to unlock the strategies that top entrepreneurs use to achieve massive success? The Millionaire Algorithm reveals the blueprint for scaling your business, no matter your starting point. You'll discover the key systems, habits, and mindsets that successful business owners use to drive exponential growth and wealth. This course isn't just about theory, it's about actionable insights to help you hit your next revenue milestone faster. We've got Affiliate Marketing Mastery. Do you want to build a profitable income stream without creating your own products? The Affiliate Marketing Mastery course teaches you exactly how to earn commissions by promoting products you love. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, you learn proven strategies for finding high-converting products, attracting the right audience, and scaling your earnings. This step-by-step guide simplifies the process so you can focus on generating passive income. AI faceless monetization. Are you looking to generate income without showing your face online? The AI faceless monetization course teaches you how to leverage AI to create, market, and monetize digital content without ever appearing on camera. Perfect for those who prefer staying behind the scenes. This course covers everything from content creation to automation and monetization strategies. Ready to unlock new streams of income while staying anonymous? Click now to learn how to build a profitable faceless business using AI. How to run profitable webinars. Looking to host webinars that convert viewers into paying clients? The How to Run Profitable Webinars course is your go-to guide for creating impactful revenue-generating webinars. You'll learn how to structure your content, engage your audience, and use proven techniques to drive scales. Whether you're a beginner or looking to optimize your current strategy, This course equips you with the tools to turn your presentations into profit, even if you have no experience. We've got an AI prompt masterclass. The AI prompt masterclass will teach you how to craft high quality prompts that get the most out of any AI tool. Whether you're creating content, automating workflows, or enhancing productivity, mastering prompts is the key to maximizing efficiency and results. This course is designed for beginners and experts alike, offering actionable insights that can be applied immediately. Click now to discover how prompt mastery can revolutionize your business. We've got AI digital product profits. Are you looking for personalized guidance to launch and grow your digital product with AI? The AI Digital Product Profits program provides you with hands-on expert advice and actionable strategies to fast-track your success. Whether you're just starting or aiming to scale, this program is designed to give you the support and insight you need to achieve real results. Ready to receive step-by-step guidance from someone who's been there before? Click now to learn more. School and Community Mastery. The School Groups Mastery course teaches you how to build, grow, and engage powerful groups using the school platform. Whether you're creating a mastermind, coaching group, or community for your business, this course breaks down everything from setup to scaling, ensuring you maximize value for your members. Ready to turn your group into a vibrant hub for learning and networking? Click now to explore school groups can elevate your business. Facebook Ads Mastery. Are you ready to harness the power of Facebook ads to drive consistent leads and sales? The Facebook Ads Mastery course teaches you step by step how to create, launch, and optimize highly effective ad campaigns. Whether you're new to Facebook ads or looking to refine your strategy, this course provides you with proven techniques to scale your business quickly. Click now to learn more and take your advertising skills to the next level. Includes everything you need to succeed. Instagram organic marketing. Do you want to grow your Instagram audience and drive sales without paying for ads? The Instagram organic marketing course will show you how to use free proven strategies to boost your profile, create engaging content, and attract the right followers. Whether you're a beginner or looking to take your organic marketing to the next level, this course provides you the tools and insights to help you succeed without the need for paid advertising. Click now to discover how you can grow your business. YouTube Ads Mastery. Are you ready to unlock the potential of video ads to grow your business? The YouTube Ads Mastery course teaches you how to create, target, and optimize video ads that convert viewers into customers. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your ad performance, this course provides you with expert insights and proven strategies to help you scale fast. Discover how YouTube ads can generate consistent leads and sales for your business. Click now to learn more. LinkedIn Mastery. Are you looking to unlock the power of LinkedIn for your business? The LinkedIn Mastery course will teach you how to effectively network, generate leads, and build your brand on LinkedIn. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to optimize your strategy, this course provides actionable steps to help you attract high-quality clients and expand your professional reach. Click now to discover how LinkedIn can become your most powerful business growth tool. LinkedIn is one of the best tools for professionals and business owners. TikTok Ads Mastery. Ready to turn TikTok into a lead-generating machine for your business? This TikTok Ads Mastery course will teach you how to create high-converting TikTok ad campaigns that capture attention and drive sales. Whether you're new to TikTok ads or looking to enhance your current strategy, this course provides step-by-step guidance to help you target the right audience, create compelling ads, and maximize your ad spend. Click now to learn how you can use TikTok ads to scale your business and boost your brand's visibility. Google Ads Mastery. Do you want to get consistent leads and sales using Google Ads? The Google Ads Mastery course will teach you how to create, manage, and optimize ad campaigns that generate real results. Whether you're new to Google Ads or want to improve your current strategy, this course provides step-by-step guidance and proven tactics to help you to reach your target audience and scale your business. Ready to stop wasting money and start seeing real ROI? Get started today with Google Ads Mastery. Tap into one of the most powerful traffic resources. Autobots Academy. Do you want to automate your business and increase efficiency? The Autobots Academy course teaches you how to use bots to streamline processes, manage tasks and save time without needing any technical skills. Learn how to set up and deploy automated systems that handle lead generation, customer service and more, giving you more time to focus on growth. Ready to leverage the power of automation to scale your business effortlessly? Click now to learn how bots can transform the way you work. AI newsletter. Are you looking to build a profitable newsletter with the power of AI? The AI newsletter business course teaches you how to create and scale an automated newsletter that attracts readers and generates income. Learn to leverage AI tools for content creation, audience growth, and monetization without needing prior experience. Are you ready to turn your newsletter into passive income stream? Click now to discover how you can use AI to grow your business effortlessly. Create a business you can sell and remain faceless. Outsourcing. Want to free up your time and scale your business faster? The Business Outsourcing Masterclass shows you how to delegate tasks efficiently so you can focus on growth and higher level strategy. Learn how to hire, train and manage remote teams to handle operations, customer services, marketing and more. Whether you're new to outsourcing or looking to streamline your processes, this course gives you the tools to maximize productivity. Click now to learn how outsourcing can transform your business. Diploma in Internet Marketing. Are you looking to gain an in-depth understanding of Internet marketing? The accredited Diploma in Internet Marketing offers an in-depth certified course that covers all the essential areas of digital marketing, from SEO to social media and paid advertising. Whether you're just starting or looking to upgrade your skills, this diploma is designed to equip you with practical strategies to grow your business or career. Explore how this accredited course can help you to become a certified expert in marketing. TikTok Organic Marketing. Want to grow your TikTok audience without paying for ads? The TikTok Organic Marketing course teaches you how to attract followers, boost engagement, and generate leads using only free strategies. Learn how to create and leverage TikTok's algorithm, create viral content, and grow your business, all without spending on paid promotions. Whether you're new to TikTok or looking to optimize your organic strategy, this course offers actionable steps to help you succeed. Click now to discover how to grow your brand on TikTok. And we've got more courses coming soon. We're always adding fresh, up-to-date training and courses to help you stay ahead in your business journey. Whether you're interested in learning new skills or sharpening existing ones, there's always something new for you to discover. Don't miss out. Check back often to explore our latest editions. And while you're here, take advantage of our free training today. Click below to unlock valuable resources that can help you to take your business to the next level. So you can get one-to-one coaching and mentoring with us. You can undertake AI Business Success System, which is a ready-to go AI income system course. It offers a comprehensive step-by-step approach to building and scaling an AI-driven business. Whether you're a beginner or already in the digital space, this course provides you with the tools, strategies and guidance to leverage AI for consistent profits. Click here to learn more and discover how you can unlock the earning potential of AI in just 3 months. Learn everything with our hands-on coaching approach. We've got Affiliate Academy 2.0, one-to-one coaching. Do you want to build a profitable affiliate marketing business? The Affiliate Academy course offers a complete guide to mastering affiliate marketing, helping you generate consistent income by promoting products you believe in. Learning how to find high converting offers, drive targeted traffic and maximize your earnings with proven strategies. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your approach, this course provides step-by-step guidance to fast-track your success. Click now to learn how to build a sustainable income stream. And Digital Business Coaching, expert guidance to launch and grow your digital business. The Digital Business Coaching Program provides personalized one-to-one mentoring to help you accelerate your business success. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to scale, This program offers tailored strategies, actionable steps, and direct support from an experienced mentor. Transform your business with expert advice and hands-on mentoring. Learn how personalized coaching can help you achieve your goals. Do you want to be our next success story? You can book your roadmap session here. And it's completely free, where you help to create a real roadmap to hit your business goals. How to use ChatGPT and AI to make £1,000 a day without any experience or tech skills. This is beginner friendly. It's how to get started and monetize this AI opportunity before it's too late. So you can get access to the AI and ChatGPT knowledge. You can generate leads and sales and automate delivery of your business. More importantly, you can copy exactly the same system. So why online courses and e-learning? The projected growth to $1 trillion in the near future. This is the growth since 2019 in e-learning market growth, and you can see it's practically doubled in that short space of time, and is projected to further grow through to 2027. Don't miss this opportunity. Get started today. Click on our links on alpusonlineai.com. You'll find the link in the description below this video, and look forward to seeing you on board. Cheers for now.